Zerobody Dry Float. We start with an innovative and patented system to regenerate body and mind. Despite its impressive description, it's not a futuristic capsule or a high-tech implant from a video game. It's simply a bed. What makes it special is that it can hold at least 400 liters of warm water when you lie down on it. It feels like gravity doesn't affect you. This helps relax tense muscles and reduce stress, making it great for people of all ages. It's easy to use, and it even comes with a brain training app featuring breathing exercises and relaxing music. Plus, there are different versions available for both personal and business use. Deployable Emergency Shelter. Deployable emergency shelter. Are you an adventurer looking for ways to survive in extreme conditions? Check out this mobile shelter, a multiple award-winning innovation from Henry Glago and Samuel Barra. The shelter is specifically designed to utilize weather conditions. Instead of fighting them, the shelter was tested in 5 different locations in Alaska during a month-long expedition. The design is inspired by local flora and fauna, snow caves, and traditional Inuit igloos. But what sets this invention apart from traditional winter tents is the capture of snow, which helps provide a difference in temperature between the inside and outside the shelter. Pockets collect snow, creating a natural insulating and protective layer at the same time. The aerodynamic water droplet shape anchors the shelter to the ground and strong winds while also dispersing them, or added comfort. The inside of the shelter is covered with mylar, a material that reflects body heat. You won't have to worry about the shelters. Zimmo Freefoot. In the United States, foot pain is a common issue affecting 87% of people. At least once in their lives, the creators of this massage system offer a solution for foot relaxation in the form of regular shoes that are both compact and effective. The system massages the foot using air cushions and features for modes and 43 massage balls. A single session only takes 15 minutes, and you can enjoy it in silence thanks to the 2 brushless motors in each massager. With 1 full charge, you can have up to 16 sessions. These shoes come in a universal size, accommodating shoe sizes up to 11.5 us. The manufacturers are placing a strong bet on the well-being of your feet, and they're pricing it at $700. Third thumb. Third thumb. Have you ever thought that if you had any more hands, that'd make your life way easier? Well, if hands are too much to ask for, then maybe a few extra fingers or just one. A neuroscientist and a designer at Cambridge University teamed up to create a robotic third thumb. Wearing a thumb like this could be useful to people for a variety of purposes. It can replace a missing part of the hand, provide additional support for holding objects, and open ways for further research into future augmentation of human body parts. The device is a functional 3D printed prosthetic thumb that attaches to the side of the hand. It's designed as a functional and aesthetic extension of the hand with a motor-connected mechanism that allows the thumb to bend and move naturally using the sensors built into the shoe. The user can control the movement of the extra thumb on the hand with the toes. This invention has the potential to revolutionize not only the lives of people with disabilities, but also to expand the abilities of all of us. Those who've already tried it claim that after a few days of use, the extra thumb begins to feel as if it were always there. Osmo Pocket 4K Camera. The Osmo Pocket is a compact 4,000 camera designed for capturing stabilized video footage. The Osmo Pocket is incredibly small and lightweight, making it highly portable. The built-in 3-axis gimbal, which provides stabilization to ensure smooth and steady video footage. The camera on the Osmo Pocket can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second FPS and capture 12 megapixel still photos 3-inch sensor and has a fixed f2.0 aperture. The camera supports various shooting modes including panorama time-lapse, motion-lapse, and FPV mode. The Osmo Pocket can be connected to a smartphone via built-in Lightning or USB-C connector. By using the DJI Memo app, you can access advanced features, control settings, and view and edit footage on your phone. The Cicret Bracelet. The Cicret Bracelet, an app, can project your smartphone onto your arm with the Cicret Bracelet. You can make your skin you a new touch screen, read your mails, play your favorite games, answer your calls, check the weather, find your way, do whatever you want on your arm. It will use a tiny Pico projector and 8 miniature proximity sensors to replicate an image of your device screen onto your arm. Low energy Bluetooth will communicate with your mobile device. A Wi-Fi component will connect you to the network. It will have a vibrate function and a micro USB charging port. Touching your arm with your finger will interrupt one of the sensors and return the instruction back to the processor. The Cicret Bracelet, flicking your wrist, will initiate the display on your arm. BrainBit Headband. Did you know that understanding your brain activity is crucial for effective relaxation? The creators of this device certainly do. They offer a way to measure alpha, beta, and theta biorhythms. Alpha rhythms reflect a calm brain state, beta ones indicate concentration of stress, and theta rhythms signal the transition to drowsiness. By monitoring these rhythms in real time, you can determine which exercises and meditation techniques work best for you. User-friendly, you wear a strap with the EEG electrodes that send data via Bluetooth to a PC, tablet, or smartphone. This device is already patented and has applications in both medicine and entertainment, making potential markets include areas like esports and online dating. Micro Hovercraft. If surviving in the cold didn't seem extreme enough for you, take a look at the Micro Hovercraft. Designed by another Japanese tech enthusiast, it's a hovercraft passenger vehicle. But unlike other similar vehicles, it doesn't float, it flies. Well, almost. It's actually more like crawling on a hard surface, since Micro Hovercraft is small and lightweight. It can be controlled and set into motion by one person. This is made from readily available materials, so you can build something similar yourself, using, for example, parts of a bicycle. Due to its small size, the device can't move on water or uneven terrain, though it handles surfaces such as asphalt and concrete. Nevertheless, the small size means you can use such a vehicle in relatively tight places, such as a parking lot or even indoors. It's certainly not clear where you would even ride such a thing indoors. The Speeder. The Speeder trademark its flying motorcycle, expecting to be commercially available by 2023. Some years ago, the Speeder trademark was designed as a flying vehicle for the military, government, and commercial clients to rescue and save lives. Now, it comes as a recreational version for personal transport, with a fully VTOL vertical takeoff and landing technology, able to effectively lift off anywhere at a space taken up by a small car. Vehicle by Jetpack Aviation is fully stabilized. Minimal pilot training is needed and lighter than a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle, while it's simpler to fly than any other aircraft in its class. Furthermore, it will be able to fly up to 240 kilometers per hour and take off and land vertically from almost any place. Splash Runner. If you start saving $27 every month starting today, you'll have enough to buy this lounger by next summer. The $240 price is justified for a few reasons. First, it features an inflatable design with 266-watt motors. Second, it can support up to 136 kilograms in weight. And third, it comes with a backrest and cup holders for added comfort. Assembling it takes only a couple of minutes, and it operates using 12D batteries that are readily available and easy to replace. Compared to the previous version, it's 20 faster, so you can even set up a race if you'd like. UNI-ONE. Honda is developing a UNI-ONE wheelchair that doesn't require hands for moving. This wheelchair moves when the users tilt their bodies in a certain direction based on Honda's robotics concepts. The motorized wheelchair design offers people with limited mobility the freedom to let their hands do whatever they want, from performing simple household tasks to participating in sports. When users are seated, the wheelchair descends to a low position and descends to a certain level when used for moving around. Unlike a regular wheelchair, UNI-ONE is smart enough to know when it should stop rising and when it reaches the eye level of other people. Another great feature of the wheelchair is the soft rubber for the wheels and the surface of the seat, which helps keep it upright. And if suddenly a system error occurs, the wheelchair will automatically switch to a low position to stop it from tipping over. If the UNI-ONE won't prove smart enough for you, you can always switch to joystick control. Google Tilt Brush. Google Tilt Brush is a virtual reality VR application developed by Google. It allows users to paint in a three-dimensional space using virtual reality technology. Tilt Brush provides a unique and immersive way for artists, designers, and enthusiasts to create 3D artwork and explore their creativity. The application works with VR headsets such as the HTC Vive and Oculus Rift, which track the user's movements in the real world and translate them into the virtual environment. With Tilt Brush, users can select different brushes, colors, and effects to paint with, and they can walk around their creations to view them from different angles. Tilt Brush offers a wide range of features and tools that enable users to create complex and intricate artwork. It allows for the creation of 3D sculptures, landscapes, abstract designs, and more.